How your mom allows you to do makeup like you're just 15. I mean, it's not about my age, it's just a part of my profession. Doing makeup is not a crime. Try not to look like a clown. Hey YouTube, it's Laisha. Welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing safe and well, and happiest new year to all of you. And 2021 इतना अच्छा साल गया मेरा, कब चला गया पता ही नहीं चला. And I hope 2022 भी अच्छा जाए, except the corona part. मैं दिल्ली में रहती हूँ तो कोरोना तो बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है and weekends पे लॉकडाउन तक लग रहा है. कल weekend है and I'm getting my vaccine done guys. Due to lockdown I know you guys must be bored. YouTube देखो, मेरी videos देखो, and I post a video every Wednesday and Sunday. So ever since I've started this channel, I got a lot of requests for makeup tutorials or a makeup routine video. So it's finally here. So before we begin the video, I'd like to give you guys some disclaimers, and that is that I'm a 15-year-old and I don't go with gaudy makeup looks. I just like to keep it natural. Plus I skip the eye part because I generally don't like to do that and मुझे आता भी नहीं है. The makeup look that I'll be showing today is my go-to makeup look, and this is the kind of makeup look जो हर age group की लड़की कर सकती है. Without any more blabbering, we should just get into the video already. So I posted a story on my Instagram asking if you guys have any questions related to makeup, and you guys sent a lot of questions. I'm just going to answer them while doing my makeup. So yeah. So I'm just going to tie my hair. मुझे मेरे बालों में concealer नहीं लगाना है. So yeah. I look cute. I should do this more often. So before starting with my makeup, I always make sure that my hands are clean, and for that I'm using this Miniso ka sanitizer. So I've cleansed my hands, and the first step before doing makeup is shaving your face. I've already shaved my face, as you can already see. It's really good for smooth base. Next up, I'm going to be sharing a secret hack with you guys. It's gonna get you the perfect base for all of you. And that is ice you all. You just have to rub it on your face for like 2 minutes. Voila, you have the perfect base, lady. So you just have to rub it till it melts actually. So guys, I just got done with my eyes and just already look at my face. I had no makeup, no skincare on my face, and as you guys know, I shaved my face. आपको भी पता है pores खुल जाते हैं skin के, and ice is a really nice option to close your pores. इससे base बहुत जल्दी settle होता है. So next up, I use this serum from Glamours. It is the Dream Skin Daily Radiance Facial Oil. मुझे highlighter की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती जब मैं ये लगाती हूँ. So the first question you guys asked me is which foundation you use. I don't go for foundations at all. I have used foundations but वो मेरी skin पे settle नहीं करता है. I prefer CC and BB creams over it. जब मुझे heavy base करना होता है, I use Faces Canada की CC cream and it works the best for me. So I'm just going to let my serum settle for 20 seconds. जब तक मेरा serum settle हो रहा है, I am using this lip balm from The Body Shop. It's in the shade Strawberry. That's how it looks like. So moving on to the next step, which is primer. So I use this primer by Nykaa. It is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I absolutely love this product. You guys must not know that मेरे pores बहुत visible है. You can't see it on camera. This covers for me. It also helps me with a smoother base. So moving on to the next question, which is, do you use makeup daily? No, I don't. I don't like to do my makeup. I just use it while shooting. जैसे अभी I don't like to wear makeup at all. So the next step is concealing, and I'm going to conceal my face with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and it is in the shade 25 medium. Works best for my skin tone. I've never really tried much concealer क्योंकि मुझे जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. I look like a complete fool. Now I'm just going to blend in all the concealer. So I didn't really used to blend it with beauty sponges. मैं पहले अपने हाथ से करती थी. It's just too much work. So the next question is best nude lip shade. I don't usually go for colored lip shades. I am a nude lip shade person. According to me, my best nude lip shades would be from MAC. It is the MAC Velvet Teddy. And if you want to go for a affordable one, it will be the Maybelline New York Nude Nuance. Also, जो भी products मैं इस वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ, सबका link will be in my description box below. So don't forget to check it out. I'll be using this concealer again यहाँ पे because ये मेरे एक पिंपल का मार्क है जो जा ही नहीं रहा है. ये फुल कवरेज कंसीलर नहीं है तो इसे 2-3 बार तो लगाना ही पड़ता है. See, it's gone. बाकी पाउडर से हो जाएगा. So guys, I have blended my concealer and I absolutely love my base. Just look at the difference guys. So to set my concealer, I'll be using this MAC Studio Fix. ये मेरा second reason है फाउंडेशन ना लगाने का. मैं फाउंडेशन भी लगा लूं और इसे लगा लूं तो बिल्कुल शादी वाला मेकअप हो जाएगा. I'll be using this beauty sponge only. By the way, it's in the shade NC42. ये मेरी shade से थोड़ा dark है. I spent a lot on it. So yeah. The next question is kind of funny. Why do you always prefer luxe products over affordable ones? That's not the case guys. I am using this brush. I'll be settling my face with this powder. Beauty blender से इसलिए किया था because I had some flaws right here and here. तो उससे ज्यादा कवरेज मिलता है. पूरे फेस को सेटल करने के लिए एक ब्रश ही काफी होता है. So coming back to the question, it's not about the price guys. It's always about the quality. And if I find something worth 100 rupees and the quality is like really good, I'll just go for it. It's never about the price guys. Voila! So now that हमारा अब बेस हो चुका है, I'm just going to let it settle for like 25 seconds. Until then, questions पढ़ते हैं. The next question is, how is your color so fair? Like, I mean, I'm also so fair, but I can't manage it well. By the way, lots of love to you too. It's all about skincare guys. जैसे जैसे आप बढ़ते जाते हो, obviously आपका skin change होता है, and it's really important to take care of it. अगर आप नहीं उसकी take care करोगे तो वो आपकी नहीं करेगा. It's simple. So the next step is my favorite step, which is blush you all. This blush is from K Beauty. It's the matte blush. It's in the shade Sweet Salmon. The pigmentation, oh my god. I'm going to get my vaccine done guys tomorrow. I'm just so nervous. I'll be vlogging. I'll keep you guys updated. Let's see if I survive. So I'm just going to take a bit of it, and the best part of applying blush is that you smile. Don't apply too much guys, क्योंकि अगर आप ज्यादा अप्लाई कर लोगे तो आपको बिल्ड इन करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा. Try not to look like a clown. यहाँ पे कम है, यहाँ पे ज्यादा है, so I'm just going to blend it with a sponge. So the next step is curling lashes, but उससे पहले I'll be answering a few questions. That is, how your mom allows you to do makeup like you're just 15. I mean, it's not about my age, it's just a part of my profession. Doing makeup is not a crime. She herself is a makeup enthusiastic. It just helps you to feel better about yourself. Don't hurt yourself doing this. You can skip this part if you want the difference. We are done with our lashes. Now I'll be applying mascara. I sometimes like to do mascara, but sometimes I just don't. I don't feel like doing my mascara because मैं mirror में नहीं, मैं camera में देख रही हूँ. Yay! I'm using this mascara from K Beauty. It is in the shade Midnight. Done! I've never used a eyelash extension. Comment down if I should do that. It will be fun. Now that I'm doing makeup videos now. That's how my lashes look like. Now I'm just going to read a question and answer it. Hey, I'm a beginner. Please suggest me some good affordable products. As a beginner, I won't suggest you to invest a lot in makeup. I will suggest you 5 products which will work the best for you and are affordable as well. So for foundation, you can go for Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It has a really nice coverage. And for concealer, you can go for Swiss Beauty concealer. Coverage okay. For setting all of that up, you can go for this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. I've used it already. I still use it, but not that much now that I have the MAC Studio Fix. For blush, you can go for Sugar Cosmetics. Pigmentation भी बहुत अच्छा होता है उसका. And for lip shades, you can go for Maybelline. It is a kind of a brand जो affordable products भी रखता है और थोड़े high end range में भी रखता है. These are the 5 products that I'll recommend. The next question is, what is your go-to lip shade? So my go-to lip shade is what I'll be using in this video, and it is this Zen and Miza. It's in the shade Wood by Nude. I had a collaboration with them. It's not sponsored at all. I genuinely love this product a lot. I'll be doing my lips off camera because I obviously can't do it in front of camera. So yeah. Hey guys, so I am done with my lips and they look gorgeous guys. Next up we have is this highlighter from Becca. It is the Becca Ignite. It's in the shade Passion. I prefer liquid highlighters over the powdered ones because liquid वाले से काफी natural glow आता है. If you use this product, just don't take more than a half drop. I'm taking this much. It literally बहुत है. We are done blending our highlighter. We are almost done with our makeup look. I'll be ending this makeup look with this Faces Canada makeup fixer. It is the Faces Canada all-time pro makeup fixer and I can't even do my makeup without it. Prime तो करता ही है but it blends your highlighter and your blush बहुत अच्छे से. So guys, I am done with my makeup and I hope I did a pretty well job in teaching you guys. I just love how this makeup look turned out. That's it for this video and I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Comment down if you want more such makeup related videos. I'd love to do that for you guys. And I know you guys want a wardrobe tour. And if you guys want that, I want 5k views on this video. Bye!